Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. My name is Muhammad Umar. I am your English instructor. Let's start our lecture. Here is a bridging and here is the answer of that bridging. I hope you have solved it. Today we have VLIF number 26 in which we have to identify and analyze stages of plot development in a fiction. What are the stages? Exposition, setting, climax, resolution. Then we have to discuss how readers make choices about text they like reading by author or genre to develop new learning with a variety of text. Let's see. Choose or choices about your text. Your personal field guide to picking the perfect book or your interest guide you. Discover brilliant author. First you have to find authors, then explore new genres and map out exciting plots, exciting stories. There are two type of writers in front of you. First, we have a writer who use casual style, use humor in his writing, use simple tools which everyone can relate. Second is a writer who use mysterious tone, magic, complex tools, enchanting words in his writing. Let's see. Authors have their own special writing style. They choose specific words and methods to build their world. These choices create a voice that reader can easily recognize. Getting to know an author's voice is like making a new friend. Let's talk about a book, Harry Potter, written by J.K. Rowling. Let's find her writing style. She uses magical and highly descriptive words in his book, use complex language to build giant epic adventure. I hope so all of you have sometime watched her movie Harry Potter. Let's track or trail to your next book. Readers make choices based on their past reading adventure. If you have read any part or any portion of any book, through this you can make your choice. Then we naturally pick big books when we are familiar with an author's style. After that, if you love the book voice in the one book, you will likely love their next story. Let's talk about different genres. A genre is a specific type or category of a story. Reader pick genres based on their personal interest. If you like magical stories, you have choose a magical genre, fictional genre. Whether you want facts or magic, there is a genre door for every type of text. First we have mystery text, solving tricky puzzles and uncovering hidden secrets. Then we have fantasy, in which different type of animals are used, using magic, meeting mythical creatures and exploring new worlds. Then we have science fiction, in which the writer used science like traveling through space, the future and cool technologies. Then we have historical fiction, in which the writer used historical characters or historical events in his writing. Famous genres in action. First we have fantasy and second we have mystery. Harry Potter, which we have discussed, is a fantasy, and any kind of novels in which there is a spy is a mystery novel, in which they solve any kind of mystery. Let's see what is a plot or timeline of the plot. The plot is the sequence of events inside a story. It is a timeline of absolutely everything that happens from the beginning to the end. Without a plot, the character would just stand and nothing would change. Suppose it is a timeline of a story in which there is a starting point, then there is a middle point and there is an end of that story. That is called plot of the story. Let's climb the story mountain. First, beginning exposition, in which you introduce or writer introduce what is the setting, how it start, then rising action, then middle climax, then end which is falling action, then end which is resolution. Let's see what beginning exposition is. This is the base of mountain where the story officially begins, or starting point. In this, the writer sets the scene and we learn exactly where and when the story takes place, how it starts. Then there are few characters about which we can find, about who we can find information. We are introduced to the heroes of our tale and then find the problem. We discover the main challenge the hero must face. Then rising action, the journey up to the mountain begins. The sequence of event gets much more complicated, tension builds. Then things often go wrong here. Then we have climax. In climax, the main character finally face their biggest problem or their worst enemy. You have reached the very top of the mountain. This is the absolute most exciting and thrilling part of the entire plot. Everything in the story changes after this exact moment. After that, there's a falling action. The tension and danger start to cool down. Character begin to clean up the mess left behind from the massive climax. The big mysteries and questions finally start to get answered. And lastly, there is a resolution. We back on flat and safe ground at the end of our timeline. The main problem of the story is completely solved, and this is the end of the story. Okay, bachcho, here is your formative check. Do it in your class. You have to do this like exposition, rising action in your class. You have to write these events in your practice book. Here's your homework. Do it at your home. I hope this lecture will be helpful for you. Okay, bachcho, Allah Hafiz.